Integration means that you work hard for the country. You use all your faculties and capabilities, potentials for the betterment of the nation. You always be law-abiding and honor the laws of the land. You love the country in which you are living. And this is the saying of the Holy Prophet of Islam, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that love of your country is part of your faith. Right? This is integration. Integration does not mean that you forcefully grab the hijab or snatch the hijab from the heads of the Muslim women, or you ask Sikhs to remove their turbans, or government should enact some dress code law. No. You are free. See? With regards to your religious teachings, you should be free. Otherwise, there is no religious freedom.